Hey friends, it's Sean from mindpossible.com, and on this channel I mostly present telekinesis videos, but I know that many of you might also be interested in lucid dreaming, and if that's the case, you'll want to keep watching because of a new lucid dreaming tool that I've created that I'm giving away for free. Are you a lucid dreamer, or would you like to have more regular lucid dreams? Chances are that you've learned about a technique called the light-initiated or light-induced lucid dream. This is where you wear a special mask that will detect when you've entered the REM stage, the rapid eye movement stage of sleep at night when you're dreaming, and then start blinking some lights through the mask in the hopes that the light will penetrate your eyelids and start to affect your dreams. And then when you perceive the color in your dream, you'll become lucid at that point. Now, some people have a problem with using masks because these masks come with a battery and an electrical circuit, and they feel uncomfortable having that equipment right up against their skin for several hours through the night. The other thing about masks is that sometimes they're uncomfortable and it makes it difficult to fall asleep because of the discomfort. The other thing about these masks is that they're pretty expensive. They range anywhere from $60-some up to several $100s. Well, I have a solution for you that's completely free. I've designed a program called the Emanator. And this is a 90-minute video which you can download from my site. And the first 110 minutes run dark, but the last 20 minutes of this video play a specific color pattern in the hopes that the color will go through your eyelids just like with a mask and then start to infiltrate your dream. All you have to do is download this video onto your laptop or your smartphone and then set it up to play from your nightstand. It'll stay dark through most of the night, but during the end of every 90-minute cycle, it'll go through this colored pattern. And hopefully at one point or another during the night, it'll happen at the same time you're experiencing the random eye movement, the REM stage of sleep, when you're dreaming. My program also comes with a special training video to help you strengthen your intention. You would watch this either laying down or sitting on the edge of your bed, and you'd watch a preset pattern of darkness and light, and during certain periods you would work on setting your intention and then doing a state check when the light is playing. The hope is that by strengthening your intention this way right before you fall asleep, your mind will be more primed to respond to the Emanator video through the night, so that when you're having a dream, if you start to notice the color in the dream, because of the training you did just before falling asleep, you're more likely to recognize the color pattern and become lucid at that point in your dream. So this program is completely free, and there's more explanation when you get to it. So if you'd like to get it right now, just visit mindpossiblecourses.com, and it might be on the first page or scroll down to the second page of all my programs there, and you can download all the videos for absolutely free and give it a try. It might not work the first time, but like all lucid dreaming techniques, it takes repetition, it takes intention, and it just takes grit. So keep working at it and eventually you'll be successful.